WhatsApp is the most used messaging app in the world. What if you had a personal AI assistant available there 24/7, answering questions, drafting messages, looking things up, all without leaving the app? Today I'll show you exactly how to build that. No coding required. Here's what we're building. You send a message to a WhatsApp number. An AI reads it, thinks, and sends back a smart reply in seconds. It works for any question, business, personal, research, writing help, anything. The tools are N8N for automation, Twilio for WhatsApp access, and Claude for the AI brain. Twilio has a free sandbox and N8N has a free cloud tier. Step 1. Set up Twilio. Go to twilio.com and create a free account. Navigate to messaging, then try it out, then WhatsApp. Follow the steps to activate the WhatsApp sandbox. You'll send a join code to a Twilio number from your own WhatsApp. This connects your phone to the sandbox. Step 2. Set up N8N. Go to n8n.io and create a free cloud account. Step 3. Build the workflow. Add a webhook node in N8N. This is the URL Twilio will send messages to. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into Twilio's WhatsApp sandbox settings as the incoming message URL. Step 4. Connect Claude. Add an HTTP request node that calls the Claude API. The input is the message you sent from WhatsApp. The prompt tells Claude to reply helpfully and concisely. Keep responses under 300 words so they read well on mobile. Step 5. Send the reply back. Add another HTTP request node that calls Twilio's API to send the AI response back to your WhatsApp number. Test it. Send a message from WhatsApp and watch the reply come back in seconds. Once it's working, you can expand it. Add memory so it remembers your previous messages. Connect it to your calendar, your emails, or your notes. Turn it into a true personal assistant. Subscribe for the follow-up video where I add memory to this setup. It changes everything.